Alarm's going off. Dude, I knew this would happen. Come back here, dude. Don't go out there.
I gotta call Tish.
Yeah, you go do that. Oh my God, the alarm's going off. There was a tornado warning. It's kind of annoying though. But still, I knew this alarm would go off.
You're in a coma.
Oh my God, dude, I'm shaking right now.
I'm not shaking. It's just reminding me of the purge. Look at that. Look, that's beautiful.
I know, dude, but this is still, the alarm's going off. Oh my God. Hey, did you hear that?
No, I don't hear it.
That's a tornado.
You hear the tornado alarm?
I knew this would happen.
Oh, okay. Tisha told us to get in the middle.
What?
The hallway.
Okay, good.
Where are you at?
Okay, she told us to get in the hallway.